Hello, hello everyone. This is Bhuvan Sharma and my project team partner is Kushal. We are the students of CSC department IKG PTU and we have created the project Robustness 24/7 Virtual Doctor under the mentorship of engineer Anupriya Kaushal. Through this PPT, we will discuss about our problem statement, process model, implementation technology, the result and the advantages. We will also discuss about the conclusion and future scope of our project. And also there are the references to highlight how and which help us to make our project. So this is our problem statement. Almost everyone kept on hold while operators connect you to a customer care executive. On an average, people spend around 7 minutes until they are assigned to a person. Gone are the frustrating days of waiting in a queue for the next available operative. They are replacing live chat and other forms of slower contact methods such as emails and phone calls. Since chatbots are basically virtual robots, they never get tired and continue to obey your command. They will continue to operate every day throughout the year without requiring to take a break. Virtual doctor can be programmed to respond the same way each time, to respond differently to messages containing certain keywords, and even to use machine learning to adapt their responses to fit the situation. A developing number of hospitals, nursing homes, and even private centers presently utilize online chatbots for human services on their sites. These bots connect with potential patients, visiting the sites, helping them discover specialists, booking their appointments, and getting them access to the correct treatment. An ML model has to be created wherein we could give any text input and on the basis of training data it must analyze the symptoms. A supervised logistic regression machine learning algorithm can be implemented to train the model with datasets containing various diseases CSV5. The goal is to compare outputs of various models and suggest the best model that can be used for symptoms in real-world inputs. Dataset contains CSV file having symptoms of different diseases compiled together. The logistic regression algorithm in ML allows us to process the data efficiently. The goal here is to model the underlying structure or distribution of the data in order to learn more from the training set. So, take a look at the process model which we have used to build our project. First of all, we did the objective identification. Then, we totally calculated the cumulative cost. After that, we have the progress and alternate evaluation. We do the risk management, build different prototypes. Then the part of the product development comes. Here we do the designing, coding, integration, testing and implementation of our project. So this is the implementation technology. Here the requirements for the hardware are RAM 8 GB, ROM 1 GB, monitor with minimum screen resolution of 1024 cross 768. The software requirements are basically the Windows 8 and above and Mac operating system 8.0 and above. The browsers which can be used are Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge. Now these are the dataset details. The dataset is gathered from Kaggle Machine Learning Repository. It is a public arrangement of infections gathered for doctoral exploration. It has datasets made by numbers of out of genuine illness removed from every one of the specialists that are among the top specialists in their field. In this manner, it will gather those sicknesses and specialists from a dataset as per the side effects classes like weakness, wheezing, cold, and others. Now this is our training dataset which we have used. Suppose it will go for 1010, that is for the testing. It is using true or false mechanism. The 1 stands for the true and the 0 for the false. Our dataset will look similar to this. So this is our result page. You know the screenshots of our result. Whenever we will open our project and execute it, we will have the options home, login, register and exit. On clicking on the home option, you will be redirected to a website which is for our project Robustness, your 24/7 virtual doctor. You can talk about stay connected or stay on top or carry on doing by the help of this website. After that, suppose you click on the login button, then it will ask you to enter the details, that is your username or password if you have already registered. But if first of all for logging you need to register. For registering you need to enter your username and password, and after that you have successfully registered. You can log in again. Then after logging in, it will ask username and password. On login successfully, it will say success. Login successful. Now, this will be our output screen. It will ask us the questions and it will suggest us the diagnosis. Suppose we have been asked a question, weight loss. There are options yes or no. If we click on the yes, it will say that it will tell us that you might have this disease and the symptoms which are present. It will also give us the symptoms which might be related to that disease with a confidence level which is usually because this machine is continuously learning. So the analysis of result, we can reason that this framework giving the exact outcome as we are utilizing enormous data set which will guarantee the better exhibition. Accordingly, we develop a framework which is valuable for individuals or emergency clinics to assist the clients with openly asking clinical questions and worries over text. Frameworks will get yield for the illness. Clients can find related solution showed on programming and elude it for examination. So here are the advantages. It is omni-capable. The virtual doctor converses seamlessly across multiple digital channels and retains data and context for a seamless experience. In best cases, even passing the information to a live agent if needed. It is free to explore. Our app can reach, consume, and process vast amounts of data, both structured and unstructured, to surface insights from any source to gather relevant data to solve customer issues quickly. Autonomous reasoning. The app can perform complex reasoning without human intervention. For example, a great service virtual doctor should be able to infer solutions based on relevant case histories. Some further More advantages. Pre-trained. The app is pre-trained to understand brand-specific or industry-specific knowledge and terms. Even better, it's pre-configured to resolve common customer requests of a particular industry. Register or log in. To access this app, an individual needs to register and then use the registration ID to log in to access the features. User interface, a user-friendly interface which is engaging and easy to access. So here is the conclusion and future scope. Virtual doctor is a thing of the future which is yet to uncover its potential. Machine learning has changed the way companies were communicating with their customers. With new platforms to build various types of chatbots being introduced, it is of great excitement to witness the growth of a new domain in technology while surpassing the previous threshold. Thus, we can conclude that this given system giving the accurate result, as we are using large data set which will ensure the better performance. Thus, we build up a system which is useful for people to detect the disease by typing symptoms. So here are the various references. First of all is from the Wikipedia chatbot and Wikipedia disease. The another is of the YouTube playlist which we have used, and the third is of the dataset which we have taken from the kaggle.com. So